today at the Dolphin, and we're doing a little power washing because it feels good to clean. See the outside world, it's all negative, and really a good thing to go clean something. So could have had somebody power wash this, could have paid somebody, but for me, it's better to go out and accomplish something, clean, power wash the lanai here, get it beautiful for our next guest. Makes me feel good. Feel like I'm doing something positive, even though if it's something that's menial, like power washing the lanai, it don't matter. It's good. So go out and try to do something positive today and try to accomplish something that you can feel good about.